Welcome to our channel. Today we how to register with Webflow for interactive landing pages step by step clearly. Begin by navigating to the Webflow website in your preferred web browser. Once the home page loads, locate the Sign Up button at the top right corner. Click on the Sign Up button to proceed. You will be directed to a sign up form. Here, you can either sign up using your email address or choose to use a Google account. If you opt for email registration, enter your email address in the designated field. Next, create a secure password and input it into the password field. After entering your details, click on the Get Started button. You will receive a confirmation email in your inbox. Open that email and click on the confirmation link to verify your account. Once your account is verified, return to the Webflow website. Log in using your newly created credentials. Upon logging in, you might see a brief introduction to Webflow. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface. To create an interactive landing page, look for the New Project button on your dashboard. Click on New Project to start. Choose a blank project or select a template that suits your needs. If selecting a template, browse through the available options and click on the one you like. Once selected, confirm your choice to start editing. Now, you will enter the Webflow Designer. Here, you can customize your landing page as per your requirements. Use the toolbox on the left to add elements like text, images, and buttons. To enable interactivity, look for the Interactions panel located in the right sidebar. Set up interactions by selecting an element and assigning animation effects. Preview your landing page regularly using the Preview button. Save your progress frequently to avoid losing any changes. When you are satisfied with your design, choose a subdomain or connect your own custom domain for your project. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.